Hello, welcome back. Now I'm going to give you the answers of all these questions. What are the programs developed as per the individual needs called? The programs are known as. Here we are talking about the individual needs. Okay, so the need of the human are. So that is only custom made. According to our needs, we are creating or developing softwares like library for billing, etc. What are the components of a language according to certain rules defined by a language called? It is called syntax. Machine language consists of binary digits. The elementary language of a computer is machine language. Yes, 0 and 1. The machine language is the elementary language of a computer. The answer is true. 1 and 2 are called binary digits. That is also true. Learning high level language is more difficult than learning machine language. Is it false? Why? Because machine language consists of 0 and 1, which is a binary digit, which is not easy to understand. But if we talk about high level language, the language consists of English like statements. Okay. A compiler or interpreter changes the high level language into machine language. That is also true. Windows XP is an example of application software. That is false. Why? Because it is an example of system software. Windows XP is an operating system. A library management software is an example of system software. This is false. Why? Because it is an example of custom made software. Disk defragment is a utility program. So better it is defragment. Okay. So answer is true. The machine language consists of dash and dash, 0 and 1. The machine language consists of only zeros and 1, rather than it does not contain anything. In dash language, you can write instructions in English like statement. Which language? High level language. A dash or a dash converts the high level language program to the machine language. The answer is compiler and interpreter. An example is, and dash is an example of system software. Definitely operating system. It is an example of operating system. MS Success is an example of dash application software. General purpose application software. A result making software is an example of custom made software. Machine language. If we talk about the machine language, it is the elementary language of a computer which consists zeros and 1. What are assembly language? In this language, operation codes were replaced by mnemonics. High level languages. High level languages are the programming languages designed for the users to write instructions in English like statements. Binary digits are 0 and 1, and system software is a set of computer programs. First machine language, second assembly language, third high level language. Let's see the answer of this question. Here is your answer. Machine language, assembly language and high level language. Name 5 general purpose application software. The 5 general purpose application softwares are Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Flash, Notepad, etc. You can write essays also. ACCESS. Okay. Which computer language is the simplest most? High level language. Which language directly accepted by the computer? Machine language is directly accepted by the computer. What are mnemonics? So in assembly language, the codes which is replaced by the 2 or 3 letters abbreviations are known as mnemonics. So write this answer in your copy. Mention 3 utility jobs. First, backup data, testing the disk integrity. Third, recovering accidentally deleted data. Now write about machine language. So the elementary language of a computer, which consists of zeros and one, are known as machine language. What is high level language? Programming language designed for the users to write instructions in English like statements like C equals to A plus B are high level languages. How are high level language understood by the computer? With the help of compiler or an interpreter. A compiler or an interpreter converts the high level language program to the machine language. Okay. What is system software? Software which works at the internal level of the computer and instructs the computer how to manage its resources. Resources in the sense hardware and software are system software. Now the last question. What are the of application software? Give one example of each. Basically there are two types of application software. First is general purpose application software. Second, custom made application software. So the examples are general purpose software, in which MS Word is an example. Custom made software like library management software. Okay, so here's your answers, and all these questions answers you have to do in your fair copy, because in some books space is not given for writing the answers, so all the answers you have to maintain in a separate copy. Thank you.